So we were just talking about KPIs and using technology to better track and measure KPIs. Any suggestion for great KPIs to track for an MRO team?
Sure. You know, everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, but these are known KPIs for MRO storeroom. We all want to know what our inventory level is. If I'm a president of a company or a CEO, I want to know what the overall financial impact our MRO storerooms. And they're quite honestly MRO storerooms that have tens of millions of dollars, you know, invested into it, whether it's equipment, personnel, or even the parts themselves. So understanding the inventory volume is really important from a high level view. But as we get more granular inside, as a storeroom person or an MRO person myself, I want to know stock outs. So every time a maintenance technician comes in and the part that was actually in the CMMS system saying that it was in the drawer, but when you go up there, it's not there. I want to be able to have a system to tell me that that's a stock out, so I can report against that, and then that will close the loop on maybe someone taking a part out of the storeroom and not issuing it to a work order. So that's a great KPI. So we have inventory value, inventory turns, and stock outs. But one of the key things that I really like to look at, and this is on an annual basis, is looking at my obsolescence and excess inventory. And that's really helpful. So you know any idle or rarely used inventory, or RUI as we speak. So 4 or 5 basic key KPIs are very important. So we're looking at inventory levels, inventory turns, stock outs, and basically what we're issuing out. So that gives us our inventory turns. And then on the back side of it, looking at dormant or idle or rarely used inventory.